Hello everyone, good day. I am Harold B. Tunggala from BSIT NS3A. So first is my midterms, test A. So IT elective 1 midterms examination A. So I need to create a web page that allows a user to enter a purchasing price into a text box that includes a JavaScript function that calculates shipping and handling. Then I need to add functionality to the script that adds a minimum shipping and handling fee of $1.5 for any purchase that less than or equal to $25. So whenever the order increases more than $25, I need to increment 10% of the total purchase price for the total fee. But I do not need to include the 1.5 minimum shipping and handling fee. No? Then the formula is provided below, which is price times the percentage, which is 10% over 100. No? So basically for $50 purchase, the total fee is $55 because it exceeded to $25. So let's check our program and the JavaScript of my program. So basically I added the head. Okay, so the generic doc type HTML, but I included Bootstrap for better UI. No? Then a basic HTML form that consists of a label and then input, which needs to be a number, and then the button, submit button. No? So basically this is the script for the HTML. As you can see here, I will show you. So hopefully this is recording. Okay, so the script here is that regarding that matter earlier, whenever I purchase below or equal to $25, we need to only add minimum shipping fee, which is $1.5, no? Assuming that this is a dollar, okay, numeric value of dollar. So if we test our program, 24, as you can see, we put it in alert box, in alert function rather, and then this is the total fee. We only added $1.5. Okay, then in 25, also $1.5, since it is as you can see here, less than or equal to 25. Okay, and then if we exceeded like 26, more than 25, so it will cost you 10% more of the total purchase price, which is as you can see here, it's $28.6 already. For the example, for the earlier example, $50. So when I submit the this form, or using submit button or enter, it will automatically alert us using this alert function. Total fee is 55, so 10% of 50 is 5. So that's all for my midterm examination A. So I will pass this HTML also.